If you're looking for a great set of drill bits and screwdriver bits, you have to check this out. This is 71 pieces, comes with a storage case, has every bit you could probably ever need for a project. The brand did send me this to do this review for you. So again, you get 71 pieces. They are magnetic. So this is kind of what it looks like up here. You can see right here, this 30 piece 0.25 millimeter insert bit, 40 piece 0.50 millimeter power bit, and 1 piece 60 millimeter impact holder. Like the fact that they're magnetic, and this case, it's easy. You could just put it in your pocket. They are organized nicely like this. These departments too could be pulled out and moved around if you want to reorganize it. So this is like what the bigger one, here's what a bigger one looks like right here. You can see right here, this is going to be the bigger one, and then you could put other pieces into this as well. And then again, you have these like little mini ones as well that you could put into a screwdriver. I absolutely love these. These are great if you put stuff together a lot, or if you're just handy and want to build stuff. These have everything you need. So if you are looking for a great set of screwdriver bits or your drill bits, definitely check these out.